In today's video, we're walking through how to import and fulfill products automatically using Zendrop. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're starting a dropshipping business and want to skip all the manual work of finding suppliers, listing product, and fulfilling orders, this tutorial is going to show you how simple it can be. We're going to keep this super beginner friendly. By the end, you'll know how to connect your store, import products, and let Zendrop handle fulfillment automatically. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Zendrop? Zendrop is a dropshipping automation platform that helps e-commerce owners find high quality products, import them to their store, and ship orders automatically to customers without dealing with suppliers directly. It's actually built specifically for Shopify and e-commerce store owners who want to save time and focus on marketing instead of logistics. With Zendrop, you don't have to manually order from AliExpress or worry about unreliable shipping. Everything from product sourcing to fulfillment to tracking is handled inside one clean dashboard. So when someone places an order in your store, Zendrop automatically takes care of the rest, sending it to the supplier, fulfilling it, and updating your customer with tracking details. Now, why use Zendrop for dropshipping? The hardest part of dropshipping is managing fulfillment and communication with suppliers. You might find a good product, but if the supplier is slow or inconsistent, it can hurt your business. Zendrop fixes that by partnering only with verified suppliers and handling shipping, returns, and customer support from within the platform. It also just gives you faster shipping times, especially if you use Zendrop's US warehouses and branded packaging options if you want to look more professional. Basically, it lets you run your store like a brand, not just like a reseller. Okay, now let's get into how to actually import and fulfill products automatically. Okay, so now let's walk through exactly how to use Zendrop. If you want to follow along and get set up with a free trial, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. So also, just as a side note, if you do use our link below, you can get 50% off for 1 month. We'll go over pricing and everything later on, but I just wanted to mention that too. So not only can you get started with the free trial, but you also get that in there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get signed up with Google, but you can use whatever you'd like. Okay, confirm. So now what we need to do first is go ahead and connect the store. So I personally already do have a store, but if you need to create one, you can actually go right here to create a custom AI built store or build your own store manually on Shopify. So all we have to do is actually go ahead and install the plugin. So if I go to my store home, we'll go ahead and go to apps. We'll go ahead and add app. We're going to go ahead and go to Shopify App Store. Then we'll go ahead and type in Zendrop. Perfect. Okay, we'll go ahead and click install. Go ahead and click install again. So for Zendrop, just so you know, you'll be charged based on how you use this app to a maximum of $79 per 30 days, and you can update spending limits after approval. Okay, once you add in your credit card and click approve, it will bring you to this page right here. Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is click find product. So maybe we'll do workout leggings. So they have a bunch of different options here. We can even filter by category, by price range, ship from anywhere. Maybe we want to change that to US. And then we can look at all suppliers. What's cool about Zendrop is you can see the cost, the growth, etc. So now once we find, then what we'll go ahead and do is go ahead and click add to my products. We can update the description, the variant, the images. Then we'll click publish to store. Okay, then if you go to my products, you can find it under the store listings and sourcing section. I also would recommend, when you do go in here, you definitely want to simplify all of the, descriptions and the title, etc. Then what you can see is on Shopify, if you go to products, you can see that these were automatically added after we imported that product. Okay, now the last step to set up automatic fulfillment is you're going to want to go ahead and come to the dashboard over here. We'll click orders. From here, we'll want to turn this on. So you can turn this on and then it'll either be daily, 24-hour delay, or use promos. So promo credits are credits you receive when purchasing a promotion. When these are enabled, up to 10% of each order can be automatically redeemed using your available promo credits. This delay fulfillment by 24 hours is useful if your customers make frequent changes right after purchase. And then of course there is instantly that you can turn on, so it will be fulfilled automatically. So that means that Zendrop sends the order to the supplier ships it directly to your customer, tracking info is added automatically to your Shopify order, you don't have to touch a thing. If you do prefer more control, you can actually leave that auto fulfillment off and manually approve each order. Most people just love to keep it automated so it's working in the background. So lastly, you actually can go ahead and set up email notifications. This is totally optional, but you can set Zendrop to send you updates when an order ships or product runs low on inventory. All you have to do is go ahead and go to this profile up here, click notifications, then you'll turn this on right here, new order notifications, fulfillment reminders, how many hours you'd like, and then last mile tracking updates. So this is essentially going to notify customers when the shipment enters the customer's destination country and local carrier assigns a new last mile tracking number. The last step is to test the fulfillment system. Before launching, it's really smart to place a test order, add one of your products to your cart in Shopify, go through a checkout, and make a small purchase. You'll see the order appear in Zendrop under orders. If auto fulfillment is on, Zendrop will start processing it right away. You'll see updates like processing, shipped, and delivered, all without you doing anything. It just runs in the background. This test is just going to help you understand the flow and ensure your setup is correct before real customers order. Now let's talk about some bonus tips so you can get the most out of Zendrop. Number one is to start with US suppliers whenever possible. Zendrop has warehouses in the US, which means faster shipping times and happier customers. Products shipped from the US usually arrive within 3 to 7 days. Number two is to use Zendrop's custom branding. Once you start getting regular sales, you can upgrade your plan to include branded packaging and inserts. This makes your store look more professional and helps build customer loyalty. Number three is to bundle products for higher profits. Zendrop makes it super easy to import multiple related items like selling a yoga mat with a resistance band. Bundling actually increases your average order value and gives your store a more premium feel. Number four is to keep an eye on product reviews and shipping times. Zendrop's product catalog is regularly updated. If a product gets slower shipping or low reviews, you can easily replace it with a similar one. Number five is to use automations with intention. Automation does save time, but it's still important to check your orders every few days. Make sure fulfillment is running smoothly and that there are no delays or customer issues. Number six is to take advantage of the Zendrop Academy. So Zendrop offers free educational content inside your dashboard. You'll find tips on dropshipping, marketing, and scaling your business, which is great for beginners who want to learn fast. Number seven is to reinvest early profits into ads or product testing. Once your store starts making sales, put some of that revenue back into testing new products. Zendrop's one-click import feature makes it super easy to experiment and see what sells best. Now let's go ahead and dive into the pros and cons so you can decide if this is worth investing in. So the biggest advantage of Zendrop is that it takes the stress out of dropshipping. You don't have to message suppliers, track orders manually, or deal with customer complaints about delays. It's fast, automated, and beginner friendly, which is perfect for people who want to run a store without getting bogged down in logistics. It's also great for brand building thanks to the custom packaging and fast shipping options. On the downside, you do have to pay to get access to it, and to unlock advanced features like bulk fulfillment or branded packaging, you'll definitely need to upgrade depending on your plan. Still, for anyone just getting started, this is such a great place to start and test products and actually start making sales. Okay, so let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. If you want to check this out as well, you can use our link down below, and I'm just scrolling down right here. So the Zendrop Plus plan, like I said, you can actually get access to 50% off for a month, which brings that from $79.99 to $39.99. You'll also get access to an e-commerce course. You know exactly what to do, automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries, and then live weekly coaching for expert help. You'll also get full access to $39 in order credit, so you can use this to fulfill any of your orders through the Zendrop platform. The Zendrop Plus bonus is the sourcing and fulfillment solution. So you get automated fulfillment and deliveries, so you can focus on making sales. You can partner with them to source any product from their manufacturing partners. They'll also streamline the customer product refund process, and they also only work with vetted suppliers, so you'll never have to worry about suppliers running off with your money. They're 100% transparent with competitive delivery times. You can oversee the entire journey. There's also the trending product software like we talked about, the automated order fulfillment, and then of course the drop shipping course. So if you want to check out an even more details, you can use our link down below. So is Zendrop for you? If you want to get started with dropshipping without dealing with suppliers or complicated logistics, Zendrop is one of the best options out there. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to grow with you as your store scales. You can go from zero to a fully automated store in under an hour. And once it's set up, your only focus becomes marketing and sales. Zendrop is perfect if you want to build a real business without handling inventory or worrying about shipping. As a personal note, I know how overwhelming it can feel to start your first store between finding the products, dealing with suppliers, and learning how to fulfill orders. But honestly, Zendrop makes that process so much easier by automating almost everything. It's a tool that helps you focus on what actually matters, which is growing your brand and creating content that sells. If you're ready to get started with Zendrop and save 50% off your first month, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce founders simplify their systems and scale smarter. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.